This is a 4G Volte Fixed Wireless Phone. Look at this phone. It supports Wi-Fi Hotspot. Look at this phone. Bluetooth. This is hotspot. It has a handset calling code. This is the TNC detachable antenna. It's very easy to install it. This is the power adapter. It is India standard. We also have EU standard, US standard, and other different kinds of power adapter. Look at the back. It's the battery with a wire. Support dual SIMs, memory SIM card slot. This is a phone call from outside. Right here. It's the hands-free. Hello? Hello? Voice is very loud. Take it here. Hello? The other side is also very clear and loud. Hello? Hello? It has many functions from this menu. You can check setting, profile, Bluetooth, FM, recorder. It's recorded phone contacts and other normal conversation. If you have any interest in this phone, welcome to contact us friendly. Thank you for your time.